When crisis strikes, the world can change in an instant. Shelves go bare, panic sets in, and survival depends on what you've already prepared. Today I'll break down the 5 most essential survival foods you need before disaster hits. Simple, nourishing staples proven to help you endure and thrive. Grab a notepad and let's build your survival arsenal. One essential food at a time. Rice isn't just a food, it's the foundation of any survival pantry. For thousands of years, civilizations have relied on rice as a staple, and for good reason. It's a food that transcends cultures and borders, uniting people in times of plenty and hardship alike. With a long shelf life and high energy density, rice can sit quietly on your shelf for years, ready when you need it most. Unlike many foods that spoil quickly, rice is patient, waiting for the moment you need it most, whether that's during a power outage, a natural disaster, or simply a tough week. In a crisis, calories are king, and rice delivers. Each serving is packed with the carbohydrates your body needs to keep moving, think clearly, and stay strong. When other foods run out, rice is there to fill the gap and keep you going. 1 cup of uncooked rice can feed a family for a meal, efficient and filling. It expands as it cooks, stretching your food supply further than you might expect. That means fewer resources spent and more mouths fed, which is crucial when every bite counts. All you need is water and heat. It's easy to cook, even over a campfire. Whether you're using a simple pot, a makeshift stove, or even a solar cooker, rice adapts to whatever tools you have on hand. Its versatility makes it a favorite for both seasoned preppers and beginners alike. Store rice in airtight containers or mylar bags with oxygen absorbers for maximum longevity. This simple step protects your investment from pests, moisture, and spoilage, ensuring your rice stays fresh and ready for years to come. It stacks well, so you can build a big reserve without taking up much space. Even in small apartments or crowded pantries, rice fits neatly, allowing you to maximize your storage and always have a backup plan. Rice is a blank canvas. Combine it with beans, canned veggies, or just a little salt for a satisfying meal. Its mild flavor pairs with almost anything, letting you get creative with whatever ingredients you have on hand and making even the simplest meal feel nourishing. For families, rice is comfort food, bringing warmth and hope in tough times. Sharing a bowl of rice around the table can lift spirits and create a sense of normalcy, even when the world outside feels uncertain. It's inexpensive, making it a no-brainer for prepping on a budget. A few dollars can buy enough rice to last weeks, stretching your food dollars further and giving you peace of mind that you're prepared for whatever comes. Gluten-free and easy on sensitive stomachs, rice pairs well with proteins and fats for a balanced diet. Whether you're feeding kids, adults, or anyone with dietary restrictions, rice is a safe and healthy choice that keeps everyone satisfied. Don't underestimate the psychological boost of a hot meal. Rice delivers both satiety and morale. In stressful times, a steaming bowl of rice can be a source of comfort, helping you and your loved ones feel grounded and cared for. Make sure rice is on your prep list. It's a lifeline every survivor counts on. When you're building your emergency kit, rice should be one of the first things you reach for because it's reliable, versatile, and proven. Whether you're fortifying your home or on the move, rice fits right in. Its lightweight, compact nature means you can take it with you if you need to evacuate, ensuring you always have a dependable food source wherever you go. It's simple, reliable, and essential. Rice doesn't need fancy preparation or special equipment, just a little care and planning. Stock up now. Your future self will thank you. Having a solid supply of rice on hand means you're ready for whatever life throws your way, from unexpected emergencies to everyday meals. Rice is the backbone of survival for a reason. It stood the test of time, feeding generations and providing security when it matters most. Don't wait until it's too late to add it to your pantry. Start building your rice reserves today, and give yourself the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for anything. Canned beans are your secret weapon for lasting energy and essential protein. They require no refrigeration, so even if the power goes out, you've got safe, nutritious food ready to eat. Beans come in many varieties, black, kidney, chickpeas, and fit into countless recipes. Just a can opener and you've got a meal in minutes. Packed with fiber, beans keep your digestive system running smoothly, crucial in high-stress situations. They store easily and last for years with cans protecting against pests and moisture. Beans and rice together make a complete protein, delivering all the amino acids your body needs. They're budget-friendly, letting you boost your food reserves without breaking the bank. Beans are comfort food in many cultures, lifting spirits and bringing people together. Ready to eat straight from the can, no cooking required. Make canned beans a priority in your survival pantry. They're protein-packed, versatile, and reliable. Don't overlook this powerhouse staple. Stock up and stay strong. Peanut butter is a survival food hero, packed with healthy fats and protein for slow-burning, reliable energy. Whether you're facing a power outage, camping in the wild, or just need a quick pick-me-up, peanut butter is always ready to deliver. Its dense nutrition means you get a lot of energy in a small serving, making it perfect for situations where every calorie counts. No cooking, no fuss. Just grab a spoon and dig in. It's one of the few foods you can eat straight from the jar. No preparation required. That makes it a lifesaver when you're tired, don't have access to a stove, or need to eat on the run. It's perfect for when you're exhausted, stressed, or on the move. Peanut butter gives you a quick energy boost and helps you feel satisfied, even in the most challenging situations. Eat it straight from the jar or spread it on crackers for a crunchy, salty snack that's both filling and delicious. Or try it on bread, apple slices, or even celery sticks for a sweet and savory treat. The options are endless, and you can get creative with whatever you have on hand. A couple spoonfuls keep you full for hours, with steady, long-lasting nourishment. The combination of protein and fat helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps hunger at bay, so you can focus on what matters most. Peanut butter has a long shelf life. Store it sealed in a cool, dry place for months or even years. It doesn't require refrigeration, so it's ideal for emergency storage or travel. It's versatile. Mix into oatmeal for a creamy breakfast, spread on rice cakes for a quick snack, or blend into smoothies for extra calories and flavor. Or just eat it by the spoonful when you need a fast, satisfying bite. For families, especially with kids, peanut butter is familiar comfort food that calms nerves and boosts morale. It's a taste of normalcy in uncertain times, and kids love it in sandwiches or as a dip for fruit. It's a budget-friendly investment, lots of calories and nutrition for your dollar. Even on a tight budget, you can stock up and know you're prepared. Portable and perfect for bug-out bags or emergency kits. Peanut butter is lightweight, compact, and easy to pack. It's a must-have for anyone building a survival stash. The fat and protein combo is ideal for long hikes or tough days. It helps your body recover and keeps your energy up when you're pushing your limits outdoors. Peanut butter is a true survival staple. It's reliable, nutritious, and easy to use in countless ways, making it a top choice for any emergency food supply. Add it to your list and be ready for anything. Whether you're prepping for a storm, a camping trip, or just everyday life, peanut butter has your back. No cook, high energy, and always reliable. Peanut butter is the ultimate fuel for any situation. Freeze-dried meals are the ultimate lightweight survival solution, trusted by adventurers, preppers, and emergency planners alike. These meals are engineered to be both practical and reliable, making them a staple for anyone serious about preparedness. With a shelf life of 25 years or more, they're perfect for long-term storage. You can tuck them away and forget about them until you need them most, knowing they'll be ready to go when disaster strikes or when you simply need a quick, nutritious meal. Just add hot water, and you've got a hot, satisfying meal in minutes. No complex cooking or extra fuel needed. This simplicity is a game-changer in stressful situations, where time and resources are limited. The variety is impressive. Stews, pasta, rice dishes, and even international flavors. You're not limited to bland or repetitive meals. There's something to satisfy every craving, even in tough times. Breakfast options abound too, from hearty oatmeal to scrambled eggs, ensuring you start your day with energy and comfort, no matter where you are. Lightweight and compact, freeze-dried meals are ideal for bug-out bags, hiking, or evacuation. Their portability means you can carry days' worth of food without being weighed down, freeing up space for other essentials. Many are designed for balanced nutrition, carbs, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals, so you're not just filling your stomach, but fueling your body for whatever challenges lie ahead. Each serving is carefully portioned to provide the right mix of carbs, protein, and fat, supporting both energy and recovery. For families, they offer peace of mind, reliable, nutritious meals that can be prepared by anyone, even kids or seniors, with minimal effort. Easy-to-prepare options mean you can focus on what matters most during an emergency, like keeping your loved ones safe and calm. Minimal cleanup. Eat straight from the bag, no mess, no dishes, and no wasted water. This is especially valuable when resources are scarce. While the upfront cost is higher, their long shelf life and convenience make them a smart investment. Over time, you'll save money by reducing food waste and always having a meal ready when you need it most. Freeze-dried meals provide flexibility, nutrition, and security, whether you're facing a power outage, natural disaster, or just a busy week. They're a must for rounding out your survival pantry, ensuring you're never caught off guard by the unexpected. Don't overlook this portable insurance. Having freeze-dried meals on hand is like carrying peace of mind in your backpack or pantry. Be prepared for anything with freeze-dried meals on hand, ready to support you and your loved ones through any challenge. They're the backup plan every prepper needs, dependable, nutritious, and always ready. Stock up and stay ready. The more you prepare now, the more secure you'll feel in the future. Your future self will thank you for making freeze-dried meals a cornerstone of your emergency plan. Honey is nature's golden superfood. It never spoils and lasts forever. It's a concentrated source of quick energy, perfect for boosting stamina during hard times. A small jar provides dozens of servings, easy to store and transport. Honey's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties make it useful for treating wounds and soothing sore throats. It's a morale booster, sweetening oatmeal, tea, or even mixing with peanut butter for a treat. Honey is a natural preservative, extending the life of other foods and making emergency energy gels. While pricier than some staples, its versatility and indefinite shelf life make it a smart investment. Store in a sealed jar away from sunlight. Even if it crystallizes, just warm it to return to liquid. Compact and perfect for emergency kits or bug-out bags. Don't overlook honey's nutrition, healing power, and morale-boosting sweetness. Add honey to your crisis pantry. It's a timeless survival essential. We've covered 5 proven survival foods: rice, canned beans, peanut butter, freeze-dried meals, and honey. Don't wait. Start your crisis food prep today. Make a list, check your pantry, and start stocking up. Stay prepared, stay strong, and remember, fortune favors the prepared.